Hello, my Facebook family. I have some friends here, Gary and Stacy and Aiden and Tristan. How you guys doing?
We're doing good.
Good,
Yeah,
well. Good. Well, they came by because Stacy, we saw each other this week on Monday, went on a raw food trip up in Santa Rosa. It was fabulous. And she's been in one of my Crazy Cracker classes. And she wants to tell you just a little bit about what she thinks about my Crazy Crackers. Tell us what you think about the Crazy Crackers.
They're pretty crazy.
Do you have a favorite?
I like the onion ring one.
Okay, okay. And then Gary, which one did you like?
I like the red pepper.
Oh, really? Yeah. Well, I'll tell you that one will be in the next book. It's the barbecue chip recipe that I coated the red onion rings with. And I think I see your son.
This is Tristan.
Tristan.
He's trying to hide the crackers.
He's trying to hide. Oh, look at both of the kids. They're both eating them. This was not planned, but how do you like?
She's not paying us for this.
Okay, I'm not. How do you like those crackers? Do you like them? Okay, while the head is nodding and while he's eating, I think he says yes, I do like those. Both of the kids. The one thing that I have to say, and Stacy, you can attest that children, if you can get children to eat healthy treats, you've got it made, because we do so much with processed food. And so you were in one of my classes, so I hope to hear you telling me good stories about making crackers for the kids. You think that's going to happen soon?
Yeah, if I can get a new dehydrator, because my dehydrator broke.
That's right, I forgot about that. Okay.
We'll get it going.
Okay, we'll get it going. Well, I just want to say thank you so much for both of you. I'm going to pan down again on the family, and
Aiden.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Aiden.
Did you like those crackers? Oh, good. And Gary, you're fabulous. I love all the color. Thank you so much for coming.
I'm subtle as ever, see.
Okay, well, what I like to do on anytime I do an interview or anything is I always ask people, if you enjoy your Crazy Crackers, I just like you to say, enjoy your Crazy Crackers. Hit it.
Enjoy your Crazy Crackers.
All right, bye.